Tech support.
Yeah, my weapon's jammed.
Okay, no problem. Do you know what model you're running today?
Yeah, it's a...
You sound busy. Maybe you should call back another time.
HH45! My gun! My gun's an HH45!
Hey, do you know what software version you're running? Sir?
This thing runs software?
Okay, you know what? Let's go ahead and restart. I want you to eject the mag, then I want you to press and hold the trigger for 60 seconds. That's 60. Can you do that?
60 seconds? Are you kidding me? I'm in the middle of a firefight.
Alright, let's do this right. Boss says we can't make any mistakes this time.
How come this time?
Huh?
Well, I mean, like he always says that. I mean, at what point is he gonna say, okay, this time, guys, you can totally fuck everything up if you want to?
Yeah, sarcasm. That helps.
Still holding down that trigger?
Yes!
Okay, about 30 more seconds.
Jesus, why does this thing take so long?
Yeah, we designed it that way because we charge by the minute for the tech support. Just kidding, sorta.
I don't know how much longer I
It's like it predisposes that every time we go on a mission, we turn into some bumbling troop of idiots. I mean, why didn't he say something like, I don't know, this time go out there and accomplish an error-free mission objective, like you always do?
Why the hell would he say that?
I don't know, dude. Maybe because some positive reinforcement wouldn't be the end of the goddamn world.
Okay, give it a sec. Go ahead and reinsert your mag. And let it roll. Crap. Tech support.
Goddamn, let it roll! Let what roll? Certainly not my rifle, that's for frigging sure! Son of a motherfucker!
Sir, there's no need to get upset.
I want to talk to your manager right now!
Sir, there's no need to...
Right now!
Alright, one moment.
This is the manager. How can I help you today?
This is the same guy with a funny voice.
No, sir. This is the manager.
You've got to be kidding me.
What seems to be the problem?
You know the problem!
No, sir. We've never talked before, so I don't know what you're referring to.
My weapon is jammed.
Have you restarted?
You know I've restarted!
Sir?
Son of a... Yes, I've restarted!
Well, have you checked your clip?
Clip? Why would I... Wait. Are you implying I'm out of bullets?
Blanca?
No!
According to the readout, it says you're out of bullets.
Readout? Are you kidding me?
Sir, whatever the readout states becomes policy, please.
What? What does that even mean?
Sir, never disparage the readout.
This is unbelievable! Hit me!
What? Bitterman, what did you say?
Throw me a mag! Time to finish this.
You did it again.
Pigman did it again. He did it again. Pigman did it again.
I'm magical. I'm the one.